Hi guys, welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today we're back here with another episode with breaking news, guys. Today we have seen officially the DJI Osmo Mobile 4. It's been announced. We have all of the information for you guys here today. We have all the specs, price, new features, everything you need to know about this brand new release from DJI. But before we get started, guys, with today's video, if you guys want to get an opportunity of winning a free DJI Mavic Air 2, yes, I said that right, a free DJI Mavic Air 2, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, guys. And if we're able to hit 1,000 subscribers before September the 15th, then we're going to be giving away one Mavic Air 2 to one of you lucky subscribers. So you guys don't want to miss out on this opportunity. It's free. So guys, make sure you join the Drone Emotion family so you can enter this giveaway, guys. So with that being said, let's dive right into today's video, which is a real exciting video, guys. So today we have the Osmo Mobile 4, guys. We have all of the information for you guys today. We have pictures, features, everything you guys want to know about the Osmo Mobile 4, we've got it here for you guys. So the Osmo Mobile 4 hasn't been announced as of the recording of this video. This information has been leaked, but information has been telling me, according to different sources, that the DJI Osmo Mobile 4 is going to be presented tomorrow or in the following days, guys. So it's going to be coming real soon, but as of usual, with all of the DJI products ahead of their launch, they are all leaked, unfortunately. But we have all the information for you guys today regarding the Osmo Mobile 4. So let's get started, guys. So we have some good news. A brand new release from DJI. I know a lot of people were discouraged about the Mavic 3 not happening this year, but don't worry, guys. We have an Osmo Mobile 4 that was just released, guys. So let's get started, guys. So the biggest difference in the brand new Osmo Mobile 4 are the following, guys. So we're going to get started with the following pictures that are from the Osmo Mobile 4, okay, guys. So right here on screen are the different pictures that we got from the Osmo Mobile 4. These pictures are coming from dronereviews.com, so thank you for your picture, guys. So right here on screen. So that are the pictures that just got leaked regarding the Osmo Mobile 4. So guys, it looks like the DJI Osmo Mobile 4 is conserving the same shape and the design. So it looks like it's still going to be foldable as the old Osmo Mobile 3. So that's pretty neat. And let's pay attention to the biggest key feature, guys. So the biggest thing is that the new DJI Osmo Mobile 4 is going to be using a magnetic disc. Yeah, that locks into place on the end of the Osmo Mobile 4 arm. So right here on screen, guys, is a picture of the Osmo Mobile 4 magnetic disc. Okay, guys, so that is the magnetic disc that is going to be used on the Osmo Mobile 4. So we're going to be able to put that on our phone right here, and that's going to be able to connect to the Osmo Mobile 4. So there are going to be two types of the magnetic disc. One with an adhesive patch, and then there's going to be one that's going to have a spring-loaded grip, so you can use it on multiple devices, guys. So the adhesive disc also has a flip-out ring which acts as a phone holder when not on the Osmo Mobile 4, guys. So when you're not using the Osmo Mobile 4, that little ring on your phone can be used as a kind of like a pop socket, something kind of like we've seen in the past. So you're going to be able to set your phone just like so. So that's a pretty nice feature that DJI has added there. So we're going to be diving into everything, price, and everything you want to know about the Osmo Mobile 4, guys. So let's talk about the biggest features. But before I talk about them, I want to show you the introduction video that's coming from DJI, guys. So right here on screen, guys, is the introduction video for the Osmo Mobile 4.
Welcome back to KPXM Los Angeles, all traffic, all the time. For those of you heading on home to that special someone, here's some traffic update for downtown Los Angeles. The time is 7:30 p.m. Build at 110.
请您再次扫码认证。
So that is the introduction video for the Osmo Mobile 4. Something we're familiar seeing with DJI in their past Osmo Mobile generation gimbals. We've seen that in the past. So let's get started with the biggest features, guys. So the biggest one, as we already mentioned, is going to be the instant magnetic connection to arm. Now the second one, we're going to be still having hyperlapse. The third one, we are still going to be having that 3-axis stabilization, which is real nice. So for those of you guys that don't know or don't have any previous experience with the Osmo Mobile 4, with the Osmo Mobile series, it's just you're going to be using your phone to set it up on a gimbal so you get a real nice smooth video footage, as long as with different kind of pictures and that kind of sort of thing. So we're also going to be having gesture control, which is something pretty neat. Additionally, we're going to be getting dynamic zoom, which is something new for this Osmo Mobile 4, which is an effect similar to what we already see in the dolly zoom, guys. Okay, now we're also going to be getting panorama mode. Additionally, active track 3.0, pretty nice. So we can track all of, let's say we're trying to get our dog or a cat, I don't know. It's pretty nice and neat. Additionally, battery life, guys. This is where I'm a little disappointed. Why? Well, because we're going to only be getting 15-hour battery life, and it's going to be charged via USB-C. So it's not bad. What I wish we will have seen an update or at least an improvement from the old Osmo Mobile 3, which had the same battery lifetime of 15 hours. So I'm a little disappointed there, because I know that the battery that was used in the Osmo Mobile 4 was a bigger battery, almost twice the size, which was left in an FCC label that we talked about in our channel a month ago. So I was really hoping for at least 20 to 25 hours of lifetime. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. Well, so that is that. Now, weight, 390 grams. It's a little bit on the heavier side, so it's not that light, but also not that heavy. The weight's still around the same we had in the past. Good thing is that we're going to be having at bottom 1/420 tripod knot. Additionally, the tripod foot is going to be removable, guys. So as you guys already seen the pictures, we're going to be getting that tripod foot in the bottom, which is pretty practical for when we don't have a person filming us. We can just set up our gimbal like so, and we can film ourselves. That's pretty nice. And now let's talk about price, guys. What everyone is here for. Price is going to come at $179 here in the United States, basically $180, and it's going to be 150 euros in Europe. So that's the price. But it's important to mention that the price has been increased, guys. So in the old Osmo Mobile 3, it had a price of $119, $120 here in the United States, and it looks like the price has been bumped almost $60. So from 120 to 180, that's going to be the new price for this new DJI Osmo Mobile 4, guys. So that's all the information for you guys regarding the brand new release from DJI, their DJI Osmo Mobile 4. It's a pretty nice design. I really like it. I like the new use of the magnetic design, but the thing that I wish we had gotten was that extra battery life. So that's information for you guys today. The brand new release from DJI. It's a pretty nice gimbal for those of you guys looking for a gimbal. DJI definitely makes the best gimbals out there, so this is going to be a great option. A brand new fresh release from the old Osmo Mobile 3. So that's pretty nice, guys. So that's all the information for you guys today. Thank you for watching, guys, and make sure you subscribe to the channel.